This property here is going to be the second tallest residential building in Yaba, and it's not just about the height. This is a rental income magnet where you can make over 100 million yearly from rent if you own the right amount of units. All you have to do is buy it and you do nothing, you earn rent from superior management. Let me show you what it's going to look like. Now in this video, we're going to be exploring Yaba, the beautiful architecture. We're going to go to the tech hub. I'm going to scream and show you all the amazing things around this property and why it's going to be delivering you over 100 million every year in rent. And we're going to be exploring everything around Yaba, so you'll see Yaba is really nice. So we are going to check out the tallest residential building in Yaba. I used to stay there, which is very, very exciting. It was there I realized how central Yaba is. So if I want to go to, let's say, Lekki Phase 1, 15-20 minutes, I'm there. Ikoyi 10 minutes, 12 minutes. Once I just leave my house, I drive. Third Milan Bridge is just there. I just get there fast. Buckingham Estate is going to look similar. Buckingham Estate is 6-story building. This one is 9-story. So, one thing a lot of people don't know, I need to let you know this. Two of the things you might be asking is, why don't we have more high-rise on the mainland or other places in Lagos? Turns out, government regulation is one key thing. You are not really allowed to build more than a certain number of floors in certain areas. And this particular project, they were able to get up to 9 floors because there was like a hack. So the property is a corner piece on 2 streets. One is about Macaulay, then another on Queen Street. So they put their entrance on Queen Street, which is a more residential area. But Macaulay is a commercial area. So because of that commercial area thing, they were allowed to do up to 9 floors. So we have the ambition, want to do 10 floors, 20 floors, as much as build Burj Khalifa and all those kind of things. But government is like, calm down. we don't do this here.
We don't do that here.
This is where I used to live. I lived here for like 2 years. I recently just moved out, so I don't miss it yet. And one of the things I like about it, the architecture is amazing. See, if you have money in Yaba and you're going to stay in Yaba, Alago Meji is where you stay, because this is where all the nice estates are. This is where the beautiful architecture is. In fact, one of the things I really like about staying here then was iFitness. iFitness was just right opposite. Like if you come, let me. You can see it straight from here. That's the gym. Imagine your gym being that close. Like sometimes when I'm walking out, I can see my car in the driveway. So as I'm walking out, I'm watching like, why is this guy spending too much time near my car? And I really loved it. Recently, I saw this guy at the gym. That's the founder of Flutterwave, co-founder of Flutterwave and all those tech companies. And I have a feeling he stays in Yaba because I've seen a lot of tweets he has made about Yaba. He's a Yaba guy. Almost all his companies are in Yaba: Flutterwave, Andela, and maybe 2 other companies. I can't remember their names. We're going to be taking you around Yaba. You will see Yaba today. We're going to explore, and it's very exciting for me because, to be honest, I'm going to places that I should not lie, I've not really been there. Stayed in Yaba. I've lived in Yaba for 6 years. No, I've actually lived in Yaba for 10 years because I also went to Unilag. Unilag is my base. Started from Unilag, and I've been around this area since 2016. So that's 9 years. 9 years in Yaba. I'm going to show you all the amazing things about this location. Why for me to live here, it was hard. I love Yaba so much. And Buckingham Estate is going to now be a lot of those experiences and what I've learned. Like for instance, the elevator in this building sometimes does not work. So now in Buckingham Estate, we're making an arrangement from start. We're buying solar powered elevator, so it's always working. Because imagine climbing to 6th floor when there's no lights. We just did that now. That's why I have small sweat on my body. 6 floors, that's cardio. I wish to visit the guys on 9th floor here because that's a lot. So let's see more stuff around. Let me break down the numbers on how you can make 103 million on this property. So we mostly have studio apartment, 1-bedroom apartment, and 2-bedroom apartment there. Studio apartment is going for 55 now, 1 bedroom 90, Two bedroom 150. Now this is prices at today. Price will be going up by end of July. I think the studio will be 60 million, the one bedroom will now be 98. Two bedroom remain the same. Now, how much do you make on this apartment? For a studio apartment 55 million, you'll be making around 7.2 a year. And this will come from running the place for shortlet. When we run it for short, we run the shortlet for you and we pay the income to you. Now, this is something we've already done. As it is now, we've completed 17 houses and we have over close to 100 clients who are already paying on a monthly basis for the different shortlet apartments we are running. So every month when we finish renting out the place, we pay them their money, their returns. Because of that, that project you're saying that we're currently buying, we've sold over 50% of it already. Because our existing customers have taken most of it. So now that we're putting out to the public and getting new people to partner in it, you can now be a part of it. And how do you make 103 million? So for 103 million, the one bedroom apartment you buy for 90 and then you make 12 million, which is 1 million every month. So if you want to get 100 million, over 100 million on that property, you have to own 5 units of one bedroom and 6 units of studio apartment, which will bring your total earning to 103 million every year. The beautiful thing about this rental income is it increases almost every year. It keeps going up. Some of the properties we sold for similar business in 2023, when we launched the project, we're saying, okay, don't worry guys, we'll rent start for 200k a month, you'll be making 2.4, and we're selling for just 15. It was a really good deal then, because so 2.4 is not small money. Fast forward to 2025, just 2 years later, now those same people are earning 3.6 for the same house, while their cost of acquiring it then is still the same, and the property has also appreciated to over 40 million. So you will not just be earning money from the rent, you also enjoy capital appreciation. And if you join in early as the project is just starting, that's your best chance to get the most out of it. So most people want to buy when it's already ready. Now then what happens is you buy a premium price. So if it's 90 million that is being sold, then that's what you buy. So studio apartment now that we are selling at 55 million, by the time you put it complete and everybody can see it and the elevator is there, the pool is there, the price will go up. Maybe there it's now 75. And if you join in, then you will not be making as much money as buying it early or when it's 55, where you're making almost 20% every year. One thing Yaba don't get enough credit for is the amount of businesses and tech companies. It's the Silicone Valley of Nigeria. This is where when the big startup founders come, they come to Yaba. Jack Dorsey was here, Mark Zuckerberg was here. I don't know if Bill Gates was here, but maybe he passed. Yaba is a hub for ideas. Yaba is where the money is, the tech money. It's in Yaba, which brings a lot of people here. So we have very high demand. When I was doing hostel business, I remember one time where hostel was on strike, so we decided to start marketing the hostel for working class. Everywhere was full. We're the only hostel then that had full occupancy because of just the amount of people that work around Yaba is just a lot. Now, two things. One are people that actually work in Yaba, they wanted to stay in property. The second one are people that work on the island, because Yaba is the closest mainland to the island. So from Yaba is like 10-20 minutes to wherever they are working on the island. It's like VI, Lekki, Ikoyi. It's not more than, no place in these 3 areas that it's not more than 15-20 minutes to get there. So a lot of them is staying in Yaba because Yaba is really the hub. This is where businesses flourish. I'm currently at Rowe Park. Some people call it Rowe Park. And here we have Olympic-sized swimming pool. There is tennis courts, basketball courts, like anything sports, this is space. And the interesting about this place, it brings a lot of people. Almost every weekend there's something going on. There's an event which is going to try drive a lot of traffic at the shortlet apartment just close by where Buckingham Estate is. Me. And you're a swimmer, an Olympic guy. You can always come here to jump on the Olympic size pool. We're going to have a pool. It's not this size. This is serious Olympics. The entire thing is 7 feet. So I'm going to be diving in and swimming a little so you can see what it's like. Another thing I've not talked about is the estate right beside the project. That's the Jacob Muse Estate. That's one of the most popular estates in Yaba. Everybody wants to live there because the prices are really high. It's very nice. And if you have money, Alago Meji is where you are going to be in Yaba. So let's see. I'm an Olympic swimmer, but I try. Another amazing feature that is very close to Yaba or inside Yaba is the train station. That train station can take you straight to Ogun State, Ibadan, and it makes transportation so easy. So Yaba is not just connected to every other place in Lagos. It has a direct connection now with Ibadan and Ogun State and other states in the country. With that speed train, the train is very fast and very nice. The interior is really good. I've seen a lot of videos and pictures. The interior looks very sweet. Now, if you're looking at getting this property for yourself, you want to own a unit, you can also get payment plan up to 6 months. You make a deposit. For studio apartments is 20 million deposit. For 1 bedroom it's 40 million deposit. Then for the 2 bedroom you do 50 million deposit and spread for up to 6 months. Now it will allow you get a unit here a lot easy. And if you're looking at getting a unit, you can click on the link below to book a consultation, or you can call any of the numbers in the description. Call, make an inquiry, book an inspection, check it out, and subscribe to a unit. If you like this video, remember to share with people you think might want to see this. Share with them, share the link, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next episode.